Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be playing Rocket League. I haven't done a voice video yet, so this will be my very first one. So yeah, let's get right into a match. Now, I'm joining with my friend minicoombsy, or George, as I would say. He's also got a YouTube channel, go and check that out, minicoombsy. Mini space Coombsy. This is just his ps4 account. So yeah, we could be doing doubles as well. Doubles. And also I've got a budgie in the background, so that's also really annoying. Wait, what? I clicked doubles. What? Oh, nice. Just gonna put nice shot. No, I'm gonna put. Oh, dude, it's not letting me pick this up. There you go. Oh, shoot. Alright, I'm crossing it, George. Oh, God. Oh, God, it's coming towards the goal. Yeah. Yep. Oh, flip. Flippin' heck. Okay, that was a weird noise. I'll also be coughing a lot in this video. Oh, flip. Don't you dare take my boost. Oops, sorry. Sale. Oh, flip. Ah! Sup, my family? Oh, never mind. What was that? What was that? Oh, get rinsed. Get scored. Was it? Lol, my bad. That was me you just rinsed. Dude, that aerial, that was a nice aerial hit, that was. Way crossed. No, save that someone. Oh. Alright, let's get it started. No. Oh! go! Nice shot. Now he said great pass. Say thank you. There we go. Oh, but George, change the volume on your mic. It's pretty loud. It might be annoying for people. No! Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that, I got a bad cough. Oh no, they're making a massive comeback. Actually, I might be racist. He might be. I hate you so much! You mug! I hate you! Da 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 da, poof! Oh. No, it's 3-3 because of you. Why don't you look at that score? Nice shot! Oh. Yay! Hey, no! Sorry about that noisage. I went no. I went, oh no! Blondies? Ha, yeah. I took that right off ya. That was a perfect setup that you ruined. No! My controller's about to run out. Flippin' heck! Wait, did you say cringe earlier? What was? George, don't scream into the mic. George, shut up. Say sorry to the viewers. Jimmy. And a Bob. You can't miss out Bob. And Bob. And Jeffrey. Oh yeah, Tim. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, how I love you. Yeah, shut up. You can't beat me to my own bloody outro, Jesus. Shut up. Alright. Thanks for watching this Rocket League video. Leave a like if you want to watch another one.